the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. This is a mid-range phone that packs a lot of features for its price, including a telephoto lens camera, 5G support and a water resistance design. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. First up is the design. The Xperia 10 Mark III has a long and lean design with an aspect ratio of 21:9. It is made of plastic, but it feels sturdy and well built. The phone is also water and dust resistant, which is a nice bonus at this price point. Next is the display. The Xperia 10 Mark III has a 6-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2520 x 1080 pixels. The display is bright and colorful and it's perfect for watching movies and TV shows. Coming to the performance, the Xperia 10 Mark III is powered by Snapdragon 690 processor, which is a capable mid-range chip. The phone has a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is expandable via microSD card. About the camera, the Xperia 10 Mark III has a triple camera system on the back, consisting of a 12 megapixel primary sensor, a 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2 megapixel telephoto sensor. The front-facing camera is a 8 megapixel sensor. About the software, the Xperia 10 Mark III runs Android 11 with Sony's custom user interface on top. Sony's UI is clean and simple, and it includes a number of unique features such as Side Sense and Xperia Launch. Let's look at some of the unique features of the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. At number 1 is the Side Sense. Side Sense is a gesture recognition system that allows you to launch apps and perform other actions by tapping or squeezing the sides of the phone. Number 2 is Xperia Launch. Xperia Launch is an app that provides you with exclusive content such as behind the scene videos and interviews with Sony artists and creators. Number 3 is audio features. The Xperia 10 Mark III has a number of audio features such as high resolution audio support and the digital sound enhancement engine. Overall, the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III is a great mid-range phone with a lot of offer. It has a great design, a beautiful display and a capable camera system. The phone is also water and dust resistant and it comes with a clean and simple software experience. If you are looking for a mid-range phone with a lot of offer, then the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III is a great option for you. That concludes our today's review on the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.